nigga. I paid somewhere for you to stay.
Come on now.
Well, whatever. But you like attention like that, though. When you see people around, you want to holler. I'm going to tell the motherfucking truth, nigga. You not shit. You got my shit in your pocket. Please don't stunt.
So you gonna be the
like
guy
you got
on my
something.
baby?
Please don't.
You gonna be the guy on my baby?
No, the fuck you don't.
If she wasn't, they did my baby.
Y'all gonna be godmama and goddamn mama.
I don't know. I'm being that 837
Turn up.
my mama, my mama dropped my
Oh my gosh, this bus need to hurry up.
You damn right. You ain't that motherfucking sleepy. Motherfucker, ass be on the motherfucking bus stop. Nigga, fucking with me. Fucking them, walking them motherfucking white ass flip flops up this motherfucking street. Please don't stunt, Derek. Please don't stunt, motherfucker. You out on the motherfucking $25,000 bond. I send your ass back.
Send me back then, bitch.
Please don't stunt, cause ain't nobody gonna come and get you, Derek.
Back then, bitch.
And I will. I ain't got to call the police, Derek. I can fucking call your bondsman. She will be down here,
Call
motherfucker.
that bitch too. Call that bitch too. Call all them bitches.
I don't even know why I let you get to me. You so fucking broken. Oh.
Okay then. Talk shit about it. You just sucking my dick tonight, dude.
And you was eating this pussy this morning, nigga. Ha 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 ha. Whatever.
Anybody eat your pussy this morning?
Yeah, the fuck you did.
Oh, I did.
That's why I was fucking late this morning.
That's why she was so happy this morning. Damn, teacher, I know you taste like that.
Fuck out of here.
A lot of people, who tell it? They gonna tell it though. Who the hell is old school?
Nigga teacher. Teachers go ham.
He out here selling that shit for me. You damn right.
Blast off. Blasted that ass off.
Look, it don't fucking matter.
Look, bro, you didn't know she was like that for real, bro.
Let one of the motherfuckers cross me. They gonna see me. They're not gonna see Miss Brown. I told you one time before.
Man, you might as well, man.
Oh, it don't matter.
Come on, man, let's go, man.
No, you're not getting in the car with me.
Come on, let's go, man.
Nah.
You hot for real.
Nah.
You don't want my whole day up.
Yeah, I'm sick.